Hey everybody, Skeeter here and welcome back to the channel. If you've seen my other videos, you've seen the video on the SIG AXG Classic. Well, you're not seeing double. Yep, that's another Custom Works case. You want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Alright everybody, here's what you've been waiting for. The SIG Sauer 320 AXG Classic. No, I'm just kidding. You've already seen that video. This video, for my small little YouTube channel, has been the biggest and most viewed video I've ever done. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel if you're new. If this is your first time here, I'd really appreciate it. And if you're watching those videos, hit that thumbs up button. Alright, forget this gun. We've seen this already. Let's get to what you came here to see. Alright everybody, here's what you've been waiting for. Let's pop the locks on this Negrini case. We're going to open it up. And what do we have here? Wow. We have another 320 AXG, but this time it's the AXG Equinox. First, before we do anything, let's clear the gun. Mag is out. We're going to lock her open. We're going to visually and physically inspect that chamber. She is clear. What we've got here is the new SIG Sauer limited edition Custom Works 320 AXG Equinox. We start out with the AXG frame. It's black anodized. AXG stands for Alloy X Series Grip Frame. What it's topped off with, though, is where this gun's namesake really comes from. The Equinox series. Stainless steel slide with polished flats and black around it. It's a strikingly handsome gun, and it is unlike anything I've seen in any of the 320 series. We've got all the hardware in nickel plate, grip screws in the G10 grips, slide lock, skeletonized flat trigger, takedown lever, and magazine release. X-ray sights, optic ready, Picatinny rail on the front. This gun's got it all. The SIG AXG Equinox. What a magnificent firearm. We're going to open. Fucking amazing. And that sucked. And I'm going to redo it. That wasn't that good. Alright, let's get to what you really came here to see. We're going to open the locks on the Negrini case. Pop it open. And close it. Lock it. And start over. Because that sucked.